So let's practice using Q equals MCAT. So identify each variable by name and the units associated with it. Q equals heat, because it makes so much sense. Mass, M equals mass. C equals specific heat. Oh, and our units, joules for Q, grams for mass, joules over grams degrees Celsius for specific heat, and temperature change is T, delta T, and that is in Kelvin or Celsius. Since Kelvin degrees and Celsius degrees are the same size, you can go either way with it. All right. Perform calculations using Q equals MCAT. So gold has a specific heat of 0.129 joules. So there's our C. How many joules of energy? That's our Q we're solving for. If we know we have 15 grams and our temperature changes from 22 to 85. So we just set up Q equals MCAT. So mass is 15 grams. Specific heat is 0.129 joules over grams degrees Celsius. And our temperature change is 85 minus 22. So 85 minus 22 would be 63. 63 times 15 times 0.129, we get 121.9 joules. And we have 2 sig figs here, so really it'd be 120. I'm not going to worry about sig figs for this worksheet. All right, the second thing it says is determine whether it's exothermic or endothermic. Exothermic means heat is being given off. All right, the gold, we're putting heat into the gold, right? So is heat being given off? No. So this is endothermic. All right, number 2. An unknown substance that has a mass of 100 grams absorbs 1,000 joules. So this is our Q, this is our mass, and we have a temperature change of 15. We don't have to do subtraction this time. So Q is equal to MCAT. We have 1,000 joules is equal to 100 grams times specific heat times our temperature change, which is 15. So now we have to solve. How do I get C by himself? Divide both sides by 100 times 15. 1,000 divided by 100 divided by 15. Our specific heat is 0.67 joules divided by grams degrees Celsius. And again, it was endo because we increased temperature. Okay, what is that substance? Let's see if we have it on here. 0.67. We don't have one that's 0.67, so it's a mystery. Oh well. And I don't feel like looking it up right now, so we're not going to. You can if you want to. All right. The rest of these should go pretty much as listed. All right. Question number 6 says, look at the table on page 513. You don't have a textbook, so you can Google specific heat and come up with a table. I don't remember the answer to this one. Let's see if I can figure it out real fast. Well, no, I will figure it out later. All right. So you should be able to go through and do those. Now look at the next one. Same story. Okay. We've got mass. We've got a temperature change. And it gives us a specific heat for the water. Okay. So homework there for you to practice on. Do what you feel like you need to do until you feel like you understand it. And I will make an answer key to post.